At Jasper Hill Farm and Caledonia Spirits, we look to the land to inspire what we make. The landscape that we inhabit is rich with natural beauty, a bounty of forageable aromas and flavors, and a long history of agricultural perseverance. It's this shared legacy that moves us towards using land-crafted ingredients and creating a taste of place. Our bond with the land led us to collaborate on this special edition Harbison. This soft cheese is made with milk from our own herd and has been hand-wrapped in a juniper-infused spruce bark. We wash young wheels with Caledonia Spirits Bar Hill Gin to impart an aromatic complexity derived from raw honey, which is comprised of hundreds of regional botanicals. So let's enjoy some of this special cheese with a bee's knees, a classic gin cocktail perfect for pairing with our special wash Harbison.